Have you noticed clients becoming less engaged over time? Losing touch with past clients means missed opportunities and a shrinking client base. Hi, I'm Lisa from Scale Mastery. Today, I'll show you how to automate re-engagement campaigns that bring your clients back and keep them engaged with your coaching services. Imagine a system that reaches out to inactive clients at just the right time, inviting them back before they forget about you. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up re-engagement emails and SMS messages that automatically check in with clients who haven't been active. Plus, stay till the end to get a free template to make re-engagement seamless and effective. Let's start by opening GoHighLevel. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, click on Automation and then select Workflows. This is where we'll build our re-engagement workflow. Click on the Create Workflow button to open a blank canvas. Give your workflow a clear name like Client Re-Engagement Campaign for easy identification. Our workflow begins with a trigger that will set it into motion based on client inactivity. For example, we might choose to target clients who haven't booked an appointment recently or haven't responded to communications. Click on the Add Trigger button. In the pop-up window, select Appointment Status Change to target clients who have canceled or missed appointments. Set the trigger condition, such as Appointment status is canceled or No appointment in the past 30 days. Adjust timing based on your business needs. 14, 30, or even 60 days of inactivity. Now that we have our trigger set, let's add some actions. These will be the tasks that happen automatically once the trigger is activated. Sending an email or SMS, click Add Action and select Send Email or Send SMS. Create a personal message like, "We miss you, ready to get back on track." Here's an example subject line. "Let's get back to your goals. We've missed working with you." In the message body, use something like, "Hey, client's name. We noticed you haven't had a session with us lately. Click below to book your next appointment." To insert a link, go to the Sites tab, copy the form link, and embed it in your message. Next, add a wait action to give the client time to respond. Set the wait time to around 30 days or adjust as needed. Sending a follow-up message. After the wait period, add another action with a more urgent message like, "Your coaching journey isn't over yet. Let's get you back on track." Create a sense of urgency with lines like, "Last chance to book your spot this month." You can add tags like re-engagement attempted to track client responses and monitor which clients haven't re-engaged. Additional wait and action steps. Add another wait action, this time for a shorter delay, like 3 days. Then, add an email or SMS offering a discount. Something like, "Enjoy 30% off your next coaching session," to re-invite them. Continue adding actions to create a sequence of emails and SMS messages. Each message should offer value, invite re-engagement, and encourage clients to reach out. Before going live, test your workflow to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Click Test Workflow and choose a contact, or create a test lead to verify that messages are sent as expected. Once you're satisfied, click Activate. Now, the workflow will run automatically whenever a client meets the trigger condition. You can track your campaign's success in the Reports section, checking open rates, click-through rates, and re-engagement stats. That's it! You've now learned how to create and automate a re-engagement campaign in GoHighLevel. Ready to keep clients coming back? Use our exclusive link in the description for a 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel. That's double the usual trial length. You'll also get our re-engagement campaign template to help you maintain a steady client base effortlessly. If this video helped, subscribe for more ways to strengthen client relationships. And don't miss our next video on creating group program funnels to scale your coaching business. Perfect for expanding your offerings without doubling your workload. Thanks for watching. Re-engagement can be the key to consistent growth in your coaching business. I'll see you in the next video.